Hi guys, good morning and happy new year. Today is 1st January 2022 and yeah, you guys are right. I am taking myself on a very special date क्योंकि मैंने realize किया कि हमेशा friends, family and if you have boyfriend or girlfriend, they won't be available for you every time. And to boost my self-confidence, I'm taking myself out on a very special date and I'm all ready to have a really great day. अभी दोपहर के 2 बज चुके हैं. आई एम लेट, आई नो आई एम गोइंग आउट लेट. मैंने लंच वंच सब कर लिया है. नाउ चलो. Also I'm not really going out अकेले because you guys are coming with me. And also before starting this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Chalo. I know guys, you must be thinking where I am taking myself today. So मैं बता देती हूँ. I am taking myself to this really pretty cafe which is located in Salt Lake Sector 1, which is known as Melbourne Cafe. And for a really long time मेरे को जाना था इस कैफ़े में, पर no one was interested मेरे साथ जाने को. तो या मैं खुद जा रही हूँ आज. I will see what's this cafe about. मेरे को पता है this cafe is all about bakery, मतलब केक वगैरह बहुत अच्छा मिलता है. So I will see what they got for Christmas and New Year. Guys, I'm finally here and I ordered myself a cafe mocha and I'm planning to try some pastries here as well. Also I got my menu book, so I will be just reading and enjoying, and I will enjoy my coffee. And yeah, I will try to use my phone less as much as possible. Cafe mocha. So basically this place got 6 different types of cheesecake, which is fascinating. I love this. Like, I love cheesecake. Whenever I go, everywhere I try cheesecake. So I asked them, like, cheesecake which is best. So they said the lemon tart cheesecake, this one is the best one, and the second best is the strawberry cheesecake. So I can't wait to try, and then I will let you guys know how it is. So I'm trying this lemon tart cheesecake. This cake is more like lemon tart cake, but there is like more flavor of cheese in it, which is pretty good, and but it's similar to the lemon tart cake. Like, then we have this strawberry cheesecake. I mean, this is delicious, but can you see this jelly over it? It's more like jam. Yeah, it's good as well. not bad. But I think the lemon tart one is the best one if I compare this two. Guys, I'm super full after having 2 cheesecake and cafe mocha. But I want to try their red velvet cakes. They have 3 different red velvet, I guess. So I'm just packing it up. I'm taking it home so that I can share it with my ma and Sky. So yeah, I'm gonna give you the review afterwards, like after going back to home, having that, and I will show you which 3 I'm taking. Taking this one, and this 3. Guys, I'm done. Here's my pack, and I'm heading out now. I will go to a little shopping, I guess, and the billing was मेरे को cost किया 903. I think it's good only because the cheesecake were 177 करके 2 cheesecake, and the cafe mocha was 150, and all the pastries cost me like 400. It's good only. What do you guys think? Guys, now I am heading towards CC1, that is City Center, Salt Lake, Kolkata. जो मेलबॉर्न कैफ़े से I guess 3 to 5 minutes walk है, and I don't know why I'm going there. I will be doing some shopping, retail therapy. I don't know. I think I will get myself some nail paint. And guys, look at the sky. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Look at this. Looking so pretty. Also, पता है guys, मेरा जो college था ना, my college is literally here. Like मैं कभी आ ही नहीं पाई मतलब मेलबॉर्न कैफ़े में, because मेरा college sector 5 में था, and this place is in sector 1. So मेरे को कभी ना टाइम नहीं मिला, and my friends were never interested in like getting to a cake shop. Basically no one is into cakes or coffee and stuff like that. मैं भी उतना केक नहीं खाती, मतलब sorry not cake, मैं भी उतना कॉफ़ी नहीं खाती, but I just wanted to try this place. So yeah, going inside CC1 today. It's a little bit crowded I feel. मेरे को लगता है बिकॉज आज सैटरडे है एंड ऊपर से 1st January भी है, तो इसलिए लाइक पीपल आर एक्चुअली लाइक हियर हैविंग फन, लाइक हैंग आउट एंड स्टफ जस्ट लाइक मी. गाइस, मैं रिटेल थेरेपी के लिए आ चुकी हूँ, लेकिन क्या खरीदना है मेरे को नहीं पता. I'm literally here. Here is US Polo and Biba and blah 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 blah. Let's see what I can get myself. Guys, I just literally went to a tattoo parlor to get myself a tattoo, but I think like my 3rd tattoo. But I think my mom will just kick me out of my home if I get a tattoo right now. So I'm literally confused, but I'm thinking of getting myself some skincare products because I'm literally right in front of Forest Essential. Can you see? So yeah, I will get something for my hair. I think that will be something safe side I will be playing today, but I want to get a tattoo, my 3rd one. Guys, मैं मॉल से निकल चुकी हूँ and I got myself this Forest Essential से एक हेयर कंडीशनर, बिकॉज पैराबेन सल्फेट मेरे को सूट करता नहीं है, तो आई कैन ओनली यूज़ हर्बल प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड नाउ वेट, दिस इज डिफिकल्ट shooting. So now I am heading towards my favorite place, and that is Momo. The most favorite thing I love Momo is the mixed chopsy, but I can't have mixed chopsy right now because it's perfect for 2 people, and अभी मैं एक इंसान हूँ और मैं एक का भी ठीक से नहीं खा पाती. मतलब आई एम अ भुक्कड़, आई कैन ईट, बट लाइक इतना नहीं खा पाऊँगी. चॉपसी इज़ लाइक अ फुल प्लेट थिंग, सो आई कांट. बट आई एम क्रेविंग मोमोज, so I'm gonna have their momo platter. So chalo. Guys, I'm here finally at my favorite place, Momo Ayam. मैंने ना मोमो आयाम सारा आउटलेट ट्राई कर लिया है. कोलकाता में जितना भी आउटलेट है, सिर्फ द बैराकपुर वन इज़ लेफ्ट. तो मैंने अभी ऑर्डर किया है. थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा आने में, लाइक जैसे 15-20 मिनट्स लगने वाला है. तब तक आई विल जस्ट रीड द बुक. Also, I want to show you guys what I actually got. Oh, they gave me this as the cleanser they gave me as a complimentary from Cosmetics. And I got this one. This is the hair conditioner, Amla, Honey and Baking. This costed me 1,475. I don't know, I hope it's good. It will be good, like I just know. जब तक मेरा खाना आता है ना गाइस, आई जस्ट वांना आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. व्हाट्स योर न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन? मैं अपना बताती हूँ. माइन इज टू नॉट गिव अप. आई डोंट वांट टू गिव अप लाइक ऑन एनीथिंग, नॉट इवन दिस यूट्यूब, नॉट इवन ऑन माई सेल्फ. मेरे को 2021 में जाना था गोवा सनबर्न के लिए, एंड जाना था. आई वॉन्टेड टू गो लाइक सो बैड, बट मेरे लाइक none of my friends were like up for the plan, and they were all busy, they had different plans and stuff, so मैं नहीं जा पाई. But I had my savings and all, everything was done. So this time I just wanna be so independent and so smart with everything that I can travel alone, I can do whatever I want to do just alone, with great confidence and positivity. I guess this is the best New Year resolution I can have, to not give up on anything. So let me know, what's your New Year resolution? Guys, the food is here. गाइस, मैं निकल चुकी हूँ घर जाने के लिए, एंड मैंने खाया तिब्बतियन मोमोज. इट वाज सो गुड, यम. मेरे को वो टोटल कॉस्ट हुआ इज़ 305 और 306 मिनरल वाटर लेके, विच इज़ प्रिटी चीप, एंड मोमोज वर लाइक रियली जूसी. लाइक मोमो आया मेरे को कभी डिसअपॉइंट नहीं किया. So yeah, it was a really fun day, and I would like to do this again. If you guys want to suggest me like something different, like going to a concert, which is not possible, which is not. Yeah, बीच में कॉल आ गया from Uber, तो यही. It was a really fun day, guys. I would like to do this again. यही मैं बोल रही थी. My Uber is here, heading back home, and और क्या यही कहूँगी कि don't be dependent, have fun, be positive. Doesn't matter if you have anyone or not, you can just have fun on your own. Like it was a really productive day, and बहुत मज़ा भी आया अपने साथ. Like I'm like confident. I'm also vlogging. सोचो यार, people are watching me, but it's okay. So my cab is here. चलो.